guys, I am Vanshika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be a DIY video because I've been getting a lot of requests on Instagram from you guys, especially from Spain and US, that what is the home remedies that we Indian use to keep our skin glowing at all times. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make 4 different packs that include face pack, lip scrub, face scrub, and also one more kind of face pack from ingredients which are easily available at your home, and you can just take them out, and they have some amazing properties which will keep your skin away from any kind of dirt and impurities, and also will help your skin to glow from within. And I would suggest that do try it out. I have been trying out for so many years, and these work absolutely good as any expensive products. So if you are into Ayurvedic or like home DIY and don't want to spend on a lot of money, heavy skincare, then you can go for these, and these absolutely work fine on your skin. So let's get started. So let's get started with the first face pack that I would be telling you, which is very easy to make and works so good for glowing skin and also remove dead skin cells. And so for this one you only need 3 ingredients. The first one is turmeric, in Hindi we call it haldi, and the second one is gram flour, which is besan, and the third one is milk, that is doodh. You only need these 3 ingredients to make this pack. So first you have to take 2 teaspoons of gram flour, that is besan, in a bowl, and then add a pinch of haldi in that, not too much because it will make your skin yellow, and then add 2 teaspoons of milk in that and stir well so that it becomes a liquidy paste that you can apply on your skin. So as you can see, the consistency of this one is very liquidy, and you need a brush or your hands to apply this on your face. So what you have to do is, after making this paste, apply evenly on your skin, like on your face, and do not apply under eye. I repeat, do not apply on under eyes, just your face and excluding your lips and under eyes, and then leave it on for 10 minutes till it totally gets dry up, and then wash it with a lukewarm water, or you can also remove it with wet wipes or wet towel as you wish, and you will see how glowy your skin looks, because turmeric is an antioxidant. It helps to fight infections and bacteria that cause acne or pimple, and also besan is a good ingredient that removes any kind of acne, scars or dark spots in long run, and this will make your skin look very glowy. So for the second thing, I have a lip scrub for you guys. For this you also need 3 ingredients, that is 1 coffee, the other one is honey, and the third one is some water. So the second home remedy that I'm showing you guys is a lip scrub. How can you make a lip scrub at home? What you need to do is take a bowl and add some coffee in it, then add a little bit of sugar. So take equal proportion of sugar and coffee in a bowl, and then add 1 teaspoon of honey so that it becomes a paste kind of thing, and sugar acts as like beads that you find in lip scrubs. Then take that amount into your fingers and then apply gently on your lips and massage it in circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash it off with cold water or lukewarm water, and then you will be fine, and your lips will become so smooth, and all the dead skin cells and hyperpigmentation around your lips will go. Use this thrice a week and you will see a difference, and your lips will become so soft in all seasons. I will highly recommend you guys to apply this one. Third home remedy I have for you guys is a face scrub. For that you will be needing 4 different ingredients, that is lemon, like a lemon juice. You can squeeze the lemon, and then take honey, then you need a little bit of sugar and also some water. Add all these ingredients in a bowl in small quantities and make a paste kind of thing. let it rest in your fridge for 15 to 20 minutes so that it becomes a little bit cold and it applies very good and also feels very gentle on the skin. Then take a small amount onto your face with the help of your hand. So this particular face pack helps your skin to feel very glowy, and also it has lemon, which is rich in vitamin C, which is an also very good ingredient that helps in production of collagen, and it will also reduce your wrinkles or fine lines in long run. So that is one very good ingredient. And honey makes your skin so hydrated at all times, which is really good. And sugar acts as bead for exfoliating your skin and removes all the dead skin cells and clears out all your pores very good. So you can use this twice a week, and I would suggest that use it in the morning so that it gives more benefit to your skin. And after applying this, apply a huge amount of moisturizer so your skin locks in all the moisture and your skin feels really soft. And I've been using this one for longest time, and I have seen a visible difference in my skin. The acne scars are gone. So last but not the least, I have the simplest face mask for you guys, and this one includes aloe vera gel and tomato, just 2 ingredients. You need to squeeze the tomato and make it like a tomato juice in a bowl, and then add some aloe vera into it. So tomato has very good properties that helps your skin away from any wrinkles or fine lines in long run, and also helps to firm your skin. If you have saggy skin or you feel that your skin is really dull, then tomato is a very good ingredient. Help your skin to feel very refreshing and calming in long run. And so aloe vera has some soothing and calming properties to it. So if you have a very sensitive skin, then this pack is best for you, and it is very easy to make. Then apply this paste onto your skin for 10 to 15 minutes and let it dry. And after it dries up, then gently wipe it away from wiping tissue, or you can also wash your face with the cold water, and you will see that all the redness around your face will go away. And also it makes your skin really tight and firm, and you will also feel that your pores are really cleaned and good, and you don't have any open pores. So this also helps for people who wear a lot of makeup, because it will make your skin blurred, like really smooth, and then you can apply your makeup very gently, and this will make your skin feel so good. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want such more home remedies regarding your skincare or body care, you can just comment down below and I will be happy to do that for you. I will also put the Spanish ingredients, the name of those, after asking Vianney, so that you can also try it out. And if you do, then don't forget to tag me or DM me on Instagram and let me know that if this works for you or not. So do follow me on Instagram as well, and follow my YouTube channel, and like this video, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.